It's yet another defamation case in court, and it's yet another apology from the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi. This time, Rahul Gandhi has moved an application in the Madhya Pradesh High Court where he has expressed regret over his remarks against the son of Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Let's explain the case to you in detail. The case stems from a remark made by Rahul Gandhi, leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, during a political rally in Jhabua in 2018. During his speech, Rahul Gandhi, who was then the president of the Congress party, referred to Shivraj Singh Chauhan's son, Kartikeya Singh, and claimed that he is named in the Panama Papers. Following this, Kartikeya Singh filed a defamation case in the Bhopal MP MLA court, and several years later, Rahul Gandhi has approached the Madhya Pradesh High Court and has sought dismissal of the case. He has reportedly expressed regret, and he has said that he took the name of Kartikeya Singh in confusion. However, the Congress party still maintains that Rahul Gandhi has done nothing wrong.
राहुल गांधी जी ने किसी का अपमान किया है नहीं, जबरदस्ती इस तरह का एक मीडिया फोबिया बनाने की कोशिश बीजेपी का जो फेलियर दबाने के लिए वो लोग करते रहते हैं, और इसलिए राहुल गांधी जी के ऊपर कई बार उन लोगों ने इस तरह की केसेस की, सावरकर के बारे में की। सावरकर के नाती ने खुद कोर्ट में एफिडेविट कर दिया, उसका कोई परिणाम राहुल गांधी को होता नहीं। और आज देखा कि शिवराज चौहान के भी लड़के का जो इशू हुआ है, कोर्ट ने उसमें राहत राहुल गांधी को दी है।
Now, viewers, this is not the first time Rahul Gandhi has had to tender an apology in this manner. You would remember that way back in 2019, Rahul Gandhi had to tender an unconditional apology to the Supreme Court over remarks on observations in the Rafale fighter jet case. This was the time when Rahul Gandhi came up with the infamous tagline, "Chaukidar Chor hai." But subsequently, he had to apologize. And now in 2026, Rahul Gandhi has once again expressed regret. This time, he reportedly told the court that he took Kartikeya Singh's name because of some confusion. No wonder then that the BJP is calling Rahul Gandhi a repeat offender.
राहुल गांधी तो माफी पुरुष हैं ही, वो तो माफी वीर हैं। हर बार माफी मांगते रहते हैं, एक बार नहीं अनेक बार माफी मांगी। जब भी कुछ बोले तो अनर्गल बयानबाजी आइंदा के लिए सीख भी होनी चाहिए। सिर्फ माफी मांगने से काम नहीं चलेगा, क्योंकि उनकी आदत बन गई है कि वो विपक्ष के नेता बन गए या कांग्रेस के नेता, तो उनको लगता है कि वो किसी के बारे में कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं। ये कहीं से भी स्वीकार नहीं है।
इसी प्रकार से उन्होंने सावरकर जी के विषय में अनाप शनाप बोला, कोर्ट में माफी मांगनी पड़ी। आरएसएस के विषय में अनाप शनाप बोला, कोर्ट में माफी मांगनी पड़ी। रफाल पर झूठ बोला, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने फैक्ट चेक किया। भारत की सेना के बारे में झूठ फैलाया और फिर उनको सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने चेस्टाइज किया, कहा कि कोई भारतीय ऐसे बात नहीं करता। और उन्होंने भारत की इकोनॉमी को डेड बताया, भारत की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग पर सवाल, भारत की डेमोक्रेटिक इंस्टीट्यूशंस पर विदेश जाकर सवाल, इंटरवेंशन की मांग करना। तो राहुल एक सीरियल लायर है और मोदी विरोध में उतरते उतरते वो देश विरोध में उतर आते हैं, और किस प्रकार से संवैधानिक संस्थाओं के खिलाफ सोरोस की सुपारी लेकर बोलते हैं, लोगों को हिट एंड रन पॉलिटिक्स में टारगेट करते हैं, और फिर जब कानूनी कार्रवाई होती है तो प्रमाण नहीं दे पाते, माफी मांगना पड़ता है।
So you just heard the reaction from leaders of the BJP, Shehzad Poonawalla calling the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha a serial liar. However, the Samajwadi Party, ally of Congress party in INDIA bloc, has added a fresh twist. Referring to the recent paper leaks case, the Samajwadi Party has said if Rahul Gandhi is ready to apologize for his mistakes in the past, then why isn't the BJP ready to apologize? Listen in.
कांग्रेस पार्टी हो, इंडिया ब्लॉक, समाजवादी पार्टी के नेता जो है बड़ा दिल दिखाते हैं। अगर उनसे कहीं कोई गलती हो जाती है तो वो माफी भी मांगते हैं, लेकिन वहीं भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग हैं, आरएसएस हैं, ये लोग जो है इतना बड़ा पेपर लीक हो गया, ना तो धर्मेंद्र प्रधान ने माफी मांगी, ना प्रधानमंत्री ने माफी मांगी, ना किसी ने इस्तीफा दिया। इसी तरह राम मंदिर चढ़ावा का इतना बड़ा केस हो गया, एसआईटी की प्रारंभिक रिपोर्ट्स भी आ गई, उसके बावजूद भी देश से, राम भक्तों से न भाजपा ने माफी मांगी, न आरएसएस ने, न बजरंग दल ने। तो ये लोग तो ऐसे हैं जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्रोपेगेंडा फैलाते हैं।
Let's now go across to my colleague Mohit Bhatt, who's joining us live right now for more on this big story. Mohit, BJP has clearly been given ammunition to further attack Rahul Gandhi, leader of opposition, the Lok Sabha. According to BJP, a smear campaign by him in 2018 today has turned literally into a self-goal.
Well, yes, in fact, and we see that how it has given fodder to the Bharatiya Janata Party, where the Bharatiya Janata Party says that Rahul Gandhi is not leader of opposition, he's leader of propaganda. Now, BJP says that he believes in hit and run politics, scoot and shoot politics, and without having facts in hand, without having any concrete evidence or proof in hand, he goes out making such statement. And when the cases are being filed against him, when he's being confronted by the people on whom he makes such allegations, he comes out and expresses regret. Now, the BJP also says that earlier too, during his when he spoke about Chaukidar Chora remark, he had to apologize in the Supreme Court, and now also he has expressed his regret over the naming of Shivraj Singh Chauhan's son Kartikeya Singh with relation to the Panama Leaks scandal in 2018 ahead of Madhya Pradesh elections. And post that, we saw that how massive uproar was being witnessed on this particular story. Kartikeya Singh went to the court, MP MLA court, and then now Rahul Gandhi through his lawyer has expressed regret. So the BJP has got fodder. The BJP says that this is the politics of Rahul Gandhi, that without evidence he speaks anything, and when he's been confronted with facts, he comes out and apologizes. So the BJP says that Rahul Gandhi also should change his nickname to Rahul Sorry Gandhi. So this is the statement that is being made by the BJP. It has given fodder to the BJP to attack the Congress party and specifically attack Rahul Gandhi, saying that Rahul Gandhi believes in propaganda. Rahul Gandhi does not believes in fact, and this case again proves that that is the charge of the Bharatiya Janata Party.
All right, thank you very much, Mohit. Appreciate you joining us with your inputs on this story. So a political war of words, they're intensifying on this particular issue.